Hey you guys, I am so excited to share that I have been chosen to be a part of what is now being called the B3 Balm Squad, B-A-L-M. So B3 Brush Beauty Balm was created by my amazing friend and makeup artist, Julia Dalton-Brush. We met on set for Fila, oh gosh, at the start of my fitness modeling career. And as a model of color, she is one of the only artists that I've worked with that really always made me feel fresh-faced, dewy. Foundation was never an issue with her. She's an artist in every sense of the word. And when I got pregnant with CJ, she came out with her first line for Brush Beauty Balm, and I was able to try those products. And at that time, I was really at a crossroads. I had turned over a lot of the foods that I consumed to whole, nutrient-dense, organic foods to the best of my ability. And just like the foods we eat, the products we put in our body really have the ability to help our health or make us feel more bright, vibrant, or they can actually hinder our health because things like endocrine disruptors and different chemicals that are put into those products. So all of the Brush Beauty Balm products are super clean, mostly organic. They are meant to help you feel and bring out your natural beauty. So I am coming to you today completely makeup free, except a little bit of mascara, and to share my spotlight kit that I have created filled with my 3 favorite products. So like I said, I started using these products when I first became pregnant with CJ, and to see their evolution over the course of the past 3 years has been amazing. So in my spotlight kit, you're gonna find this incredible body balm. So this is made with organic cocoa butter, coconut oil, natural beeswax, and 100% pure squalene oil. And what I love about this, and for my pregnant mamas out there, it is the most sumptuous, delicious balm, but it's also safe to use on our babies. So just look at that. And even though it's glistening and it looks like it's super greasy, it sinks into your skin so nice. So this is something that I would say is a must-have product, especially as we go into winter. This is the B3 Beauty Balm. You'll get an 8-ounce container in that. And I absolutely love it. It just makes your skin feel so soft. And again, mostly organic, natural ingredients, no added junk. Next up, so that's for your body, your feet, your elbows, all over, your babies. Put it on your face sometimes if you want to. I do, a little under eye, it's fantastic. But next up is the Astrea oil. Now I have acne prone skin, I have my entire life, but I didn't know that you actually need good oils to keep your skin clear. So this one is great because it's actually very good for sensitive skin as well. It has jojoba, prickly pear oil, again, that's squalene oil, cold pressed grapefruit oil as well. And a lot of the oils that are in here are all organic. So you can use this for hydration. I always put it on at night, skin prep, so underneath your foundation. Sometimes on a drier day, I'll actually mix a couple of drops in with my foundation. This says it increases cell renewal and promotes elasticity. So it's just a great all-around oil. It doesn't have any fragrance in it, which I really like because I'm very sensitive. And the third and final product in my spotlight kit is the B3 Matte Balm. Now it says matte, but it still leaves a nice little shine here, okay? So this has the beeswax, the cocoa butter, and certified organic coconut oil, but it's definitely different than the balm. So really it's an all over prep, perfect before you go to bed at night, perfect to use on you and your kiddos. And I'm so excited. It's gonna be under $90 because I'm giving you guys a 10% discount on all of these products. You won't have to worry about if there's any negative additives. So stay tuned because for the month of October, I'm gonna be coming to you with this kit over and over again because I absolutely love it. And I'm so grateful to Julia and the B3 fam for having me.